are welcome to a new session of Cathedral Cyber Sunday School. All are ready to learn? Yes. What was the specialty of yesterday? Teachers' Day. Yes. Hope you guys sent warm wishes to your teachers, right? Okay. Today we are going to study about a great teacher who taught us so many things in our life. Jesus, a good teacher. We are going to study about the good teacher, Jesus Christ. We are not bothered about the teacher version of Jesus, isn't it? Yes, he was a good teacher. When we look into the New Testament, we can see that Jesus was a great teacher. He was called as Guru. What does the word mean, Guru? Gu means the darkness and the Ru means the destroyer. So the word Guru means the one who dispels the darkness and takes the student towards the light. Yes, Jesus was a teacher who dispels all the darkness from the minds of his people. Okay, take Gospels of Mark chapter 6 verses 34. Mark chapter 6 verses 34. When Jesus went ashore, he saw a large crowd and he felt compassion for them because they were like sheep without a shepherd, and he began to teach them many things. Jesus saw a large crowd and he understood that they are like sheep without a shepherd. What do you mean by that? A sheep without a shepherd means they did not have a unity, or they did not have any goals in their life. They will be simply wandering. So he felt compassion towards them, and and he started to become their teacher and started to teach them. Okay, Jesus was a good teacher, as I said earlier. Let us see what was his peculiarities as a teacher. Jesus was a teacher who taught with power. The ministry of Jesus began by engaging people in the synagogue as a public teacher. This teaching was an activity open to any layman who was willing to be taught. Jesus went throughout Galilee, teaching in their synagogues, proclaiming the good news of the kingdom. Next is Jesus was a good teacher whose teaching was unique. Jesus has a unique way of teaching. When Jesus was speaking to mass of people, he was reflecting upon the group dynamics. Jesus shared lessons that could be understood by adults and children alike. The teaching style of Jesus held the attention of those who heard him. Matthew wrote, "When Jesus had finished saying these things, the crowds were amazed at his teaching." Jesus' teaching style drew the attention of massive crowds. He taught by saying stories, also by using parables that we know. We know so many stories and parables that Jesus has teaches. He didn't have a separation between poor or rich or people from other religion. Jesus was a teacher who taught at various places. He didn't have a specific place to teach. Wherever his people gathered, he taught from them. He was such an amazing teacher, and also he answered to each and every question that was asked by his mass. And also he encouraged them to ask more questions, which was the one of the most important quality of a good teacher. From all these we can understood that Jesus was a good teacher who taught us so many things in our life, but we are not bothered about the teacher version of the Jesus. So now we are understood Jesus was a good teacher who teach with compassion. Okay, so try to learn from the great teacher and be a better person. God bless you all. Today's activity is Teachers' Day wish to Jesus, our beloved teacher. Yes, Teachers' Day was yesterday, but still we can write a wish to our beloved teacher, Jesus Christ. Okay, hope you will do it. See you. Bye.